Hey there!
Luffy, do you even know why we're here?
Sure I do. It's time for the first episode, right?
Not exactly. We're here to celebrate a birthday.
Whose? Zolo's? Nami's?
Nope, this lady is even better than Nami.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Honey. May birthday to come. Ingat lagi dyan sa Hong Kong and sana soon magkita-kita rin tayo sa Pilipinas. Medyo matagal na rin tayo magkakasama. Hindi lang sa dati pang grupo. And sana talaga mamit na natin yung isa't isa. And ingat lagi dyan, ingat lagi. And gagabayan ka pa ni God at ibibigay sa iyo lahat ng hihilingin mo. And ang mga blessing na mas marami pang darating sa iyo. Happy birthday.
Oh, ayun na nga. Makikibati po tayo sa nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday today. Ang apaka-kulit at apaka-sexing ating co-founder na si Honey. Happy birthday sa iyo. More birthdays to come. Have a good health always. Stay sexy. Stay as what you are. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
So ayun, shoutout nga pala kay Jack sa kami na celebrate ng kanyang birthday today. Happy birthday sa'yo, Bex. I wish you more birthdays to come. God bless. Love you.
Hey yo! Happy birthday sa ating UPT co-founder, si co-founder Honey. More birthdays and more blessings to come. Stay sexy, stay hot, stay pretty as you are. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Honey. More birthdays to come and sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad. God bless you. Ingat lagi. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Binabati ko po ang co-founder namin na si Honey. Ayan, hello Honey, happy birthday po sa'yo. Sana masaya ka po lagi sa buhay at pagpatuloy mong pag-tiktok. Maraming salamat at nakilala ka namin and have a good health. Happy birthday always.
Hello! Gusto ko po lamang batiin ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa isang co-founder ng UPT na si Honey. Happy birthday, Yot! May you achieve everything you desire in life. I wish you a very sweet and happy birthday. May you have awesome life ahead. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. God bless you. Always be thankful to God. Ayaw dyan kalimot. Happy birthday. Love you. Bayot ka. Bayot. Happy birthday.
Hi! I just wanna greet Ate Honey sa kanyang birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Stay blessed. We love you.
Hello! Happy birthday, Babes Honey. First, I would like to say thank you sa patitiwala niyo sa akin na maging isang officers ng UPT. Hindi man tayo ganun ka-close or palagi nag-uusap, pero anytime na kailangan niyo ako, nandito lang ako. Open ang inbox ko 24 hours. And enjoy lang natin ng life as long as wala tayong naaapakan na tao. And wish ko na maabot mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa family mo. And kung ano man yung mga pinaplano mo, nandyan si God. At alam kong maaabot mo yan at kayang-kaya mo yan. Huwag magpa-apekto sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. And always smile, di ba? And lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita as my friend. And thank you sa mga pagtitiwala niyo sa akin. And once again, happy birthday. Mwah!
Hello, Honey. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. Alam mo na isa ka sa pinaka-close ko na kilala ko na sa social media lang hanggang sa na-meet kita in person. Isa kang totoong tao. happy birthday. Talagang napaka-family oriented. No? Patuloy mo lang at always pray to God. Being a good, God-fearing person. Happy birthday sa'yo. At salamat for enjoying sa United Community Talkers. Our co-founder, Honey, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday ay sa co-founder ng United Pinoy TikTokers, Sexy, Morena Beauty, Kigwa. Happy birthday Kig sa isa sa pinaka personal best friend ko. Yan, I miss you already here. Sana magkita na kausog and sana matupad atong mga plano. Yan, yun, many more birthdays to come. And sana maging happy na kasi ng love life. Yan. And thank you so much kasi you're always there listening my nonsense problem. Yan. Bisan lagot na kanako. Narangga pong pasensya. Yan. Thank you for everything, Kigs. Yan. I love you, bisan ew. Happy birthday again, Kigs.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a happy birthday, whoopee-doo, whoopee-doo. Open up the presents just for you, just for you.